Hi, I'm Neo from Advantech. Unplanned downtime in manufacturing creates significant losses in the industry. Users worry about spending time and money finding solutions that minimize downtime. Advantech Ubuntu Services guarantees 10 years of maintenance support during development by providing one-stop after-sales services for both IoT devices and Ubuntu OS updates. In addition, Ubuntu provides security updates every 3 weeks to prevent emerging cyber attacks. Advantech has a dedicated global embedded software team that provides reliable embedded Ubuntu services. After a single payment, users can enjoy long-term rewards and future revisions and redistribution. Okay, no problem. Our client just called. They don't know how to deal with unexpected errors. Let's help our clients address their unique issues. Advantech software team will support you every step of the way.